So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate fake product mockups for branding for free without any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for placeit.net. Once you do that, just simply go to this website. You can do the same process from your smartphones as well. Now here you're going to find multiple templates that you can use. You can upload your images over these t-shirts or caps or books, and once you are satisfied with your changes, let's select this one, for let's say, and it's an oversized t-shirt. Just simply select this one, and here go to this edit option, and you can directly upload your images that will tweaked and customized for these type of templates mockups. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.